Cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for secure transactions and to control the creation of new units. They operate on decentralized networks called blockchains, which are public ledgers that record all transactions and are maintained by a network of computers. Welcome, you are watching Actually Explained. Before further starting the video, please do subscribe to our channel and like the video if you appreciate our hard work. Bitcoin, created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto, is the most well-known and widely used cryptocurrency. It was designed to be a peer-to-peer electronic cash system that allows individuals to transact directly with each other without the need for intermediaries like banks. Here are some key concepts to understand about cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin. Decentralization. Unlike traditional fiat currencies that are controlled by central banks or governments, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are decentralized. This means that no single authority has control over the currency. Transactions are verified by network participants using complex cryptographic algorithms. Blockchain technology. Cryptocurrencies use blockchain technology to record and verify transactions. A blockchain is a chain of blocks, with each block containing a list of transactions. Once a block is added to the blockchain, it becomes a permanent part of the record, and altering or tampering with previous transactions is extremely difficult. Cryptography. Cryptography ensures the security and integrity of transactions in cryptocurrencies. Transactions are encrypted, making it nearly impossible for unauthorized parties to alter or manipulate the transaction data. Mining. Mining is the process by which new bitcoins are created and transactions are validated. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems, and when they successfully solve a problem, they add a new block of transactions to the blockchain and receive a reward in the form of new bitcoins. Wallets. Cryptocurrency wallets are digital tools used to store and manage cryptocurrencies. Wallets consist of a public key and a private key. It's essential to keep the private key secure because losing it can result in permanent loss of access to the funds. Volatility and speculation. Cryptocurrencies are known for their price volatility. The value of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, can fluctuate significantly within short periods. This volatility is due to various factors, including market demand, regulatory changes, and investor sentiment. As a result, investing in cryptocurrencies carries risks and requires careful consideration. Use cases. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin can be used for various purposes. Some people use them as a speculative investment, hoping that their value will increase over time. Others use them as a medium of exchange to purchase goods and services from merchants that accept cryptocurrencies. It's important to note that while cryptocurrencies offer unique benefits, they also come with risks and challenges. Regulatory frameworks, security concerns, scalability issues, and adoption hurdles are among the challenges that the cryptocurrency ecosystem continues to face. Understanding cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin involves grasping these core concepts. As the field continues to evolve, it's important to stay informed about the latest developments and trends in order to make well-informed decisions regarding the use, investment, or participation in cryptocurrencies. Thank you so much for watching our video. Please hit that subscribe button. Goodbye.